Here are 3 quick tips to differentiate yourself as a professional realtor. Hey there, this is Joseph Mooradian with the Premier Group at eXp Realty, and I've got 3 quick tips that they don't teach you in real estate school, but they're gonna help differentiate you as a professional in our industry. Tip number 1, answer your phone. As simple as it is, it's the number 1 complaint of consumers and other agents, is that when they go to call an agent to book an appointment, they don't answer their phone. You got to remember, you're in business now, and so you are the business. So just like any other business, you want to answer your phone, and also when you do, give a short greeting and state your name. People want to know that they're contacting the person that they think they are. So say something like, hello, good morning, this is Joseph Mooradian with eXp Realty, how can I help you? Nothing too long, keep it brief, but let someone know that they've reached who they think they're calling. Tip number 2, dress professional. Now, what does that mean? So I go by the rule of thumb that at the very least, you want to wear a polo shirt and no jeans. This is for guys. And for women, I would say, dress like you're going to the office, not the club. One other way you can because it does vary from market to market, you can kind of gauge whether or not you're dressing professionally is to go to a couple brokers open houses and see how other agents in your area are dressed, because it may vary from location to location. So for that first appointment, when you're meeting a client for the first time, you definitely want to be overdressed and not underdressed. No matter how they are dressed when you see them, you want to look like a professional and you're the business person. And my last tip number 3, this is once you've got that first listing, use professional photographs. I know the iPhone 14 is fantastic. I've got one myself, and I know the Samsungs and the Androids can take, amazing photographs, and that may be okay for your videos. But for your photographs, you want professional photos by a professional real estate photographer, not someone who takes portrait photos at the mall, or your friends who dabbles in photography and happens to have a very expensive camera. You want a professional real estate photographer, because they're going to be able to help you out as well with just like some simple staging tips and how to compose the photographs so that they look the best. Because you got to remember, when you put that listing out, you're only going to have one first impression and one chance to impress as many viewers as possible. And 94% of buyers begin their home tours online, so you want to make that first impression as good as you can and an amazing experience, so that people are calling you up, and you're going to answer your phone now, but they're going to be calling you up to schedule those appointments as soon as that listing goes live. So those are my 3 tips. Comment below, see what you think. I'd like to hear what you think. I'll be coming at you with more tips later on, but just wanted to put this first video out there and see what you think. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a great day.